Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust for beginners on console. Start by gathering wood and stone from your surroundings. Craft basic tools like a stone pickaxe and hatchet to speed up resource collection. Your first priority is to build a small, secure base to protect your initial loot and provide a safe respawn point. Remember to keep an eye on your hunger and thirst levels, as staying fed and hydrated is crucial for survival in the harsh world of Rust. Once you have a small base, place a tool cupboard inside to prevent it from decaying and to claim ownership. Upgrade your walls to stone as quickly as possible. This significantly increases their resistance to attacks. Don't forget to craft a wooden door and a lock to secure your entrance. As you gather more resources, expand your base to create more space for storage and essential crafting stations. Efficient resource management is key to progression. Focus on gathering metal ore and sulfur, which are vital for crafting advanced tools, weapons, and explosives. Use a furnace to smelt your raw materials into usable components like metal fragments and sulfur. Familiarize yourself with essential crafting recipes for items such as a bow, arrows, and basic armor. Always store your valuable resources in secure chests inside your base. Interacting with other players is a core part of Rust. Always be cautious, as not everyone will be friendly. You might consider forming small alliances with trustworthy individuals for mutual protection and resource sharing. Learn to recognize dangerous areas and avoid large groups of unknown players. Practice your combat skills with basic weapons like a bow or spear to defend yourself against potential threats. Survival often depends on your ability to adapt to player encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.